Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my croaky voice, I'm just getting over a bit of a chest infection. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a voiceover. And as you can tell, it's going to be Christmas themed. I'm thinking of doing like a winter wonderland type of situation. I want to do like silver, white glitter. So we'll see how we go. I'm just gonna have a bit of a play around and see what turns out. So stay tuned. Just starting off by priming my face with the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, and then using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the colour 03 True Ivory. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the colour Fair, and highlighting and concealing my under eye area, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Really wanted to go for a super highlighted look for this one, just to enhance like that winter icy kind of look. To set all that work in place, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Now I'm just going to be doing contour today, no bronzer or blush. So for my contour, I'm using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette in the colour HCPS 07. I'm contouring all the main features of my face, being under my cheekbones to really chisel those out, around my forehead, jaw, and my nose as well. For my highlight, I really want to enhance that icy winter wonderland look that I'm going for. So I use the BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight Palette, and the colour that I used is Strobe, and this is absolutely blinding. Later on, I do use the same palette and taking the colour Queen, but at the moment it's just Strobe. For my crease colour, I'm taking the limited edition Mecca Max Eyes on You Eyeshadow Palette and taking the colour Cream Caramel, and this will just define my eyelid without being too much of a full-on eyeshadow look. I just want the eyes to be subtle and the focus to be on the glow and the glitter. Now I'm taking the colour Topless from the Pretty, Fun and Fearless Ciate London and Chloe Morello palette and packing that all over my eyelid. Now I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the colour Milk as a base for the inner corner highlight. For the inner corner highlight, I use the same strobe colour from the BH Cosmetics palette. So I'm applying that with a small eyeshadow brush and then making sure that there's no harsh edges with the brush I use the white eyeshadow for. Now I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to lay down a base for the winged eyeliner I'm going to be doing. Just taking an eyeliner brush and winging it out and laying down a foundation for the glitter to go on top of. I'm a little bit all over the shop here because I don't really know what I wanted to do, so I'm just going back to highlighting and using that same strobe colour on my brow bone. Now taking the Too Faced glitter. It's from the Nikkietutorials collaboration all those years ago, and the Too Faced glitter glue, and going over the top of that white eyeliner we placed down as the base, and then following along with the glitter to make it a glitter eyeliner. It's a little bit difficult to see what I'm doing because the eyeliner is so pale, but I've slowed it down a clip a little bit to see if it's easier for you guys to tell what I've done. Now obviously just brushing away any of that glitter fallout. There's a bit of a better shot of the eyeliner there. Now for my eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit Preceisley My Brow in the colour 4, which is a bit of a dark colour, but I like it because it matches the low lights in my hair. And then setting those brows in place with the Models Prefer Brow Fixer. Moving on to a bit of tight lining, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Waterproof Gel Eyeliner in black and doing some tight lining. I didn't want to do any other eyeliner because I didn't want to cover up the beautiful glitter work I just worked on. So yes, just doing some tight lining to help enhance my eye shape. And of course for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I am just trying to darken up the roots of the eyelash a little bit, not focusing on getting all of the lashes. I just don't want them to cover up the rest of the eye makeup. For my lashes, I'm using the Red Cherry number 43s, but I'm doing a bit of a twist on that. I'm putting some glitter glue down on the lashes on the top side and then placing the In Your Dreams glitter, I think it's the mermaid one, on top, just to try and enhance that glitter effect a bit more. I thought it turned out pretty cool. It looks a bit like icicles or something, so I think it's a really cool effect to add just on top of the look. As I said earlier, I decided to go back in with the other highlight in Queen just to add an extra dimension to the highlighted look. This is a bit of an icy blue kind of colour, so it really, again, highlighted the it highlighted the icy kind of tones I was going for. Quite sure what to do with my lips, but I really liked the highlighter I put on them, so to enhance that I went with a gloss. It's the Rimmel lip gloss in Oh My Gloss. It's just the clear one, and I think it really worked well with the rest of the look. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. I really decided to go for a more creative rather than wearable Christmas look this year. I've just wanted to get my creative juices flowing, so I thought, what better way to do it than with glitter? So I've gone for a glitter winged out eyeliner with some glitter slash icicle eyelashes, which I thought was a pretty cool idea. Extremely highlit skin and a glossy lip. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you want me to do some more creative looks, just let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I now have 100 subscribers. Woohoo! And of course, give this video a like if you liked it. Merry Christmas to those who celebrate it, and happy holidays to those who don't. Hopefully I'll have another video up before New Year's Eve, but until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!